In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal access token, or PAT, in Azure DevOps, a handy tool you'll want to become familiar with if you're working in this environment. Let's dive right in and break down this process step by step. To get started, you'll first need to sign into your Azure DevOps organization account. Open your preferred web browser and go to https://dev.azure.com/ and you'll see a login screen. Once you're there, make sure to navigate to your specific organization space by entering the name of your organization in the URL, something like https://dev.azure.com/your.org. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next part. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose User Settings, and then click on Personal Access Tokens. You're in the right spot if you see a list of tokens you've created in the past, or it might be empty if you haven't created any yet. Next, it's time to create a new token. Look for a button labeled Plus New Token, or it might say New Personal Access Token. Click this button to open a form that we'll need to fill out to create our PAT. Start with giving your token a name. This is purely for your reference, so try to pick a descriptive name that tells you what this token will be used for, something like CI Pipeline Token if it's for a continuous integration pipeline. Below the name section, you'll see an option labeled Organization. You'll need to select the organization for which this PAT will apply. Make sure it's set to the organization you're currently working in. The next section is Expiration. It's generally a good practice to pick the shortest reasonable time frame for security purposes. Options typically include 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, or you can set a custom expiration period. Think about how long you'll need the token to stay valid, and make your choice accordingly. Moving forward, you'll need to decide on the scopes. Scopes essentially define what permissions you're granting to this token. You'll see various options here. For example, if your needs are limited to accessing repositories, you might choose Code, Read, and Write. It's important to avoid giving full access unless it's absolutely necessary for your tasks to maintain tight security. Once you've filled out these details, click on Create to generate your token. A new window will pop up with your token value. This is critical. Copy this token immediately. Once this dialog is closed, you won't be able to view it again. If you forget to copy it, don't worry too much, but you'll need to regenerate it or create a new one. And there you have it. You've successfully created a personal access token in Azure DevOps. Make sure to keep that token value safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful.